Pray to the Holy Spirit for positive changes while you sleep. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, the pursuit of peace and positive change can seem daunting. Whether we are grappling with personal struggles, seeking clarity on decisions, or simply yearning for transformation in our lives, many people have turned to prayer as a source of comfort and guidance. Among the many spiritual practices available, praying to the Holy Spirit, especially as we drift into the restful embrace of sleep, can be a profound way to invite positive changes into our lives. Understanding the Holy Spirit, often described as the comforter or advocate, plays an integral role in many religious beliefs, particularly within Christianity. Viewed as the presence of God in our lives, the Holy Spirit is believed to guide, inspire, and heal. By praying to the Holy Spirit, we open ourselves to a divine influence that transcends our understanding, allowing for transformation and renewal. The power of sleep. Sleep is a time for rest and rejuvenation, but it can also serve as a fertile ground for change. During sleep, our minds enter different states of consciousness, and research has shown that our brains continue to process information, dreams, and emotions. This nighttime journey provides a unique opportunity to invite the Holy Spirit into our thoughts and dreams, as we relinquish control and allow divine intervention. How to pray for positive changes. Set your intentions. Before you go to bed, take a moment to reflect on the changes you seek in your life. It may be related to emotional healing, career advancement, improved relationships, or spiritual growth. Be specific in your desires and intentions. Create a peaceful environment. Ensure your sleeping space is conducive to prayer. Dim the lights, eliminate distractions, and perhaps even light a candle or diffuse calming essential oils. A serene environment can help you feel more connected to the Holy Spirit. Engage in prayer. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and invite the Holy Spirit into your heart and mind. You might say a simple, heartfelt prayer like, "Holy Spirit, I open my heart to your guidance. Please help me to embrace positive changes in my life. Fill me with your wisdom and love as I seek clarity and transformation." Alternatively, recite traditional prayers such as the Come, Holy Spirit prayer, asking for the Spirit's presence and assistance during your dreams. Let go and trust. Release any worries or anxieties, allowing yourself to trust that the Holy Spirit will work within you. Surrendering control can be difficult, but it's an essential step in this process. Trust that the positive changes you seek are being facilitated, even as you sleep. Reflect upon waking. Upon waking, take time to reflect on any dreams or thoughts that surface during the night. Consider keeping a journal by your bed to jot down insights or feelings that may have arisen. These messages can often hold important significance and guide you toward understanding the changes you need to embrace. Embracing the positive changes. As you continue this practice of prayer to the Holy Spirit, be open to the signs and opportunities that may present themselves. Positive change often requires both internal and external action. Look for ways to align your daily choices and behaviors with the transformation you seek. It may involve taking active steps toward your goals, seeking support from others, or simply choosing a mindset of gratitude and hope. Conclusion. Praying to the Holy Spirit as you drift off to sleep can be a powerful catalyst for positive changes in your life. Through intention, reflection, and trust, you invite divine guidance into your subconscious, fostering an environment where transformation can flourish. In the stillness of the night, allow the Holy Spirit to speak to your heart, guiding you toward a new dawn filled with the potential for growth, healing, and renewal. Embrace the power of your prayers and step into the positive changes that await you. They may very well be just a dream away.